Intelligent, efficient, EFT newly Z-Series agricultural drone system solution. The truss style body, better strength, greater durability. Z-shaped foldable body, more portable, easy transport. Newly upgraded buckle structure with locking sensors, convenient and firm, secure and reliable. Snap-on cover, no screws, easy to be dismantled. Enlarged double inlets, more smooth pouring, less splashing. The higher front than the back, less wind drag, more comfort for replacing battery. The integrated, intelligent sensors monitor and forewarn the malfunction. Much smarter, much assurance. The high-precision weighing model shows the reminder in real time. FC system with modular design. No troublesome wiring, more easier installation. Freshly upgraded waterproof and dustproof plugs with good tightness. More stable, more secure. Equipped with dual large caliber impeller pump. The new system can spray with plenty of flow. The precise ultrasonic flow meter. Senses are separated from liquid. Less corrosion, more secure. Ingenious water-cooled centrifugal nozzles effectively reduce the working temperature of the motor. More durable, atomized droplets with extended coverage brings you better spraying service. Integrated tank, spraying and spreading, one-step switching, enlarged inlet of spreading tank to make pouring more efficient. The bending landing gears avoid collision with granules, widely used in various spreading scenarios. The whole drone achieves waterproof IP67, easily cope with various harsh working environments. 30 kilogram and 50 kilogram payload to be chosen as you like. The shared frame, namely 95% common parts. Lower cost, easy to be maintained. Convenient, smarter, hyper-efficient. This is EFT New Z-Series Agricultural Drone System Solution. Bring you a surprising new experience.